Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making poppy seed strudel. This is one of my favorite desserts I had all my childhood. You're going to need 1 cup warm milk, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 5½ cups flour, 100 grams butter, ½ cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 lemon zest. Start with a cup of warm milk. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast, tablespoon of sugar, and add just a little bit of flour to get yeast activated. Mix it for about 5 minutes, then add salt, and then add most of the flour, about 5 cups. Add 100 grams of butter, add 2 eggs, add ½ cup of sugar, add 1 lemon zest, mix it well and take the dough out of the bowl and knead it by hand until it stops being sticky. And there it is, nice and soft. Then just set it back in a bowl. Add a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick when it's rising. Cover it with plastic wrap and a towel and let it sit until it's double in size. Now we are ready to make the poppy seed fill. You're going to need 1 cup sugar, 3 cups of poppy seed, about 400 grams, 1 lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1½ cup milk, add 1½ cup of milk and cook it until it's boiling. Then add 1 cup of sugar, let it melt in. Then add 2 tablespoons vanilla. And then add 3 cups of poppy seed. Add 1 lemon zest, mix it well, and then combine it all and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's really thick, so it's not like a soup. Here's what the consistency should look like. Just put it on the side and let it cool down. You don't have to do this, but I like to add some grinded walnuts with the mix. Now it's time to get the dough ready. Put some flour on your working area. And when you get the dough out of the bowl, don't re-knead it or do anything to it, just shape it. And then cut it in 4. Just a little bit shape it into a ball. Cover it with the plastic wrap so they don't dry out. Now stretch the dough as much as you can. And then spread a fill. Make sure you just use 1/4 of the fill because we're going to be making 4 strudels. After you finish spreading the poppy seed fill, flip the sides left and right and then start rolling from the bottom up and try to be as tight as you can. Once you finish rolling it, tuck the sides in. Then I use parching paper to bake it. I make the wall out of paper for keeping rolls not to stick to each other. Then repeat the steps 3 more times. Again, you can see how I made the wall by folding the parching paper in between rolls. You can use toothpick or shish kebab stick to poke the holes throughout. This step is important. If you don't do this, the strudel just explodes. Preheat your oven on 360 and bake it for 40 minutes. Or you can cover it to plastic foil, put it in the fridge and cook it maybe the next day or when you need it. Look how beautiful they turn out. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.